How to find someone's phone number on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to find someone's phone number on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open your TikTok app. After you open TikTok, you will get this type of interface. From here, if you want to find someone's phone number on TikTok, there is only one way that you can access it by opening their TikTok profile. For that, simply tap on that TikTok profile account whom you want to check for the phone number. After you open their TikTok profile, if you find their phone number on their bio, you can simply access the phone number from there, but there is no any another options like you can directly find someone's phone number on TikTok like it is their privacy, but if they have been providing their phone number on their bio, you can simply access it. Like on my case, I have provided my Discord link here. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.